Hey guys, so we have a truck to do some work on. Customer dropped off for me. It's not a Dodge, it's actually a square body Chevy, but it has a VE non-intercooled Cummins in it, with a A518 for a transmission, which is a non-lockup overdrive transmission. This thing is relatively unmolested from the look of it. Which I'm going to change. Still has a stock H1C, the little H1C on it. And then, yeah, it looks like it's relatively unmolested. But I don't know exactly what we got. It's putting fuel into the oil. So it's an injection pump issue. They already put a lift pump in it. So if you have, it's either lift pump or injection pump. They've already done the lift pump, so that's not going to be the issue. The injection pump's the issue. He does have a new injection pump for it, so we're going to put that in. And then he wants to turn this thing up, which I think we're going to kill the transmission, but I didn't build the transmission, so whatever. But he wants to make, he was hoping to make like 450, 500 horsepower and still use it for towing. And that's not really a feasible amount as far as I'm concerned for the setup. The transmission's not going to take it, and something that you want to tow with, it's just not feasible with a VE engine, in my opinion. You can do it, but just mention, you know, let's say we're going to make something that's nice to run, so you're probably going to be between 300 and 350 on the high end. I don't know if we're going to do an intercooler setup. We're probably going to have to do more rad, because this rad I don't think is going to be enough rad. Maybe, but I guess we'll find out. But there's lots of room to put an intercooler in there, so I think we'll be doing an intercooler in it, because I'd like to make it intercooled, because you know, that's going to help, especially towing, right? It's going to help immensely with that. But anyways, we're going to be doing a bunch of stuff to this over the next couple weeks. So we'll be doing an injection pump, injectors, turbo, you know, and as far as, you know, I don't know how far he wants me to go with it, but he does want it to make a bunch more power, so it has more power to tow. So it should be a fun little project. But I thought for you VE guys that I haven't done a lot of stuff, I would I'd show you that, and we'll go from there. Anyways, let me know what you think. Hit me down in the comments, and like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks guys.